Hi everybody, just a bit of an update we're up to with this new Mark II Golf. It's a Portuguese Golf and it's never been registered in the UK, so I've just been filling out some forms to get it registered. Just in case anybody else ever comes across a foreign car that's never been registered over here, you need to fill in a V55/5 and you'll also need to prove, it's got an MOT and whatnot. If it's not got an MOT and it's a non-runner like mine, then you also have to fill in a V890, which is to declare it sawn and off the road. So I'm going to send all that off tomorrow, and hopefully in the next couple of weeks I'll get a certificate of registration, fingers crossed. But before that I'm going to go and collect the Golf. So yeah, that's what we're going to do on Saturday. Okay, see you then. Hey boys and girls, you know what today is, right? It's Saturday. That means today is Volkswagen Day. Today I'm going to get a couple of buddies to come round and we're going to go and hopefully get that car. I'm not sure whether I'm going to push it with them, which is why I've got a couple of people coming round, or whether I'm going to tow it. So I guess we'll see. We'll see who turns up and what they bring. Okay, so yeah, let's go and do it. Hello, it's my friend Albie. We're going to go and get the car. Woo, excited. I've got keys. Yeah, I've got keys. Okay, let's go and get it.
I know I was the key a few months ago to open the door.
Okie dokie, so here it is, the GTD back at its new home. It's in a bit of a state, a bit worse than I thought. Door handle doesn't work, it's hanging off. So I think one of the first things to do is just secure that so I can open it from the outside. The interior seats are a bit worse than I expected. It's pretty mouldy in here. Got a lot of water in the back. All the door cards are pretty mouldy. Headlining is completely sagged. Let's have a look underneath. The boot's not opening at the moment. Handle's coming off. Doesn't look too bad under there. There's a few bits hanging down, many zip ties, things are zip tied on. Looks in better condition than mine under here. Bodywork seems okay. No major rust spots I can see. So first job, whip the carpets out, see how bad it is, see if there's any rust inside. But yeah, it's at home with its brother.
I'm afraid, Scott, unless you fucking properly deep clean that,
Yeah, I think I need a new carpet.
you're gonna have to get a new carpet. That is gross.
Holy shit.
Oh my god, that is minging. Oh, where do you want it?
I don't know.
That needs to go straight in the tip.
We've got the boot open with a Zeister monkey inside.
Hello.
What's up, Zeister?
Hello.
Get the seat out and it won't move back. Have a look why. You can see it, but it's completely frozen. It's a big block of ice. Smash that out. Fucking hell, stay with it.
That is ridiculous.
And that's just ice.
Jesus, that's just ice. And that's why the chair won't come out, because the runners are just full of ice. Oh my god.
So glad it's Albie doing this part, not me. Here's for volunteering for this bit, right?
Yeah.
Holy shit. If anybody identify what this is, let me know. I think it's hazardous material.
This is a washer under it as well.
So we've got most of the interior out. Bit of a mistake though, isn't it, Albie?
It's a bit bloody grim.
Well, the bodywork's not too bad, but we've just got a lot of water in the carpets, as you can see, from the ice. I'm just trying to get that out. I mean, all the bodywork underneath the panels seems pretty good.
Bit of a clean.
No rust, which is nice, but this carpet's a state. It's going to have to come out. That's what we're trying to do now. Okay.
Alright, so that spring, and then you just unplug that spring.
Yep.
And then it's 17 on here. Okay, and then you've got a washer, and then you'll have a guide, a washer. So you have washer, washer guide or boss, and then you've got this here, just a washer. So that just goes in that way, flat on the floor. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, lovely.
So here it is, the GTD. I'll be nice, spent a couple of hours taking out the interior because it's completely mouldy. Let's have a little look around it. So here we go. As you can see, we've got an airbox missing from the engine. No battery at the moment. I'll be taking that to give it a full good charge for me. See if we can test the electrics. We've spent two hours taking the entire interior out of the car because it was completely mouldy and covered in ice. So it's the state of things now. There's a little ice on the floor, which from the interior. So here we go. There's still a bit of ice down here. I can't really get it out at the moment. I'm going to have to wait for it to melt, but I've dried it out as best I can for the time being. It's not too rusty considering it's been sat with an inch of water and ice on it for a few years. So we've completely gutted it. Headline is still there. We took the material off though, so I'll take that out at some point. So it needs a bit of a wash. It works, despite being a bit green in places. Seems pretty solid. This rubber will need replacing. The paint's completely shot. And the sunroof is dropping in that corner. We've got a car cover. And now it's dry. I'm going to completely close it up, get a car cover on it, and try and stop any more water getting in it. So there we go. It's got a cover on it, slightly protected from the rain. Quite a lot more to doing it, as you can see. If you've enjoyed this video, drop a like, leave any comments what you think about the car. If you think it's worth saving, if you have no idea what to do with it, so if you've got any ideas for plans, let me know. If you could drop a like and a subscribe, that would be brilliant. Okay, well, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.